जब लोग बोलते थे रास्ते में छक्का हिजड़ा एंड ऑल दैट, आई यूज्ड टू कम होम एंड यूज्ड टू क्राई एंड आस्क गॉड व्हाई मी। ये कि जनखा लगता है, जनखा मींस ही लुक्स लाइक अ बॉय, शी लुक्स लाइक अ बॉय, हाउ कैन यू कॉल समबडी अ डॉग व्हेन आई एम अ बिच।
Hi, this is Naz. I am a trans woman and this is my story.
Initially I used to get very confused till the age of 18. मुझे लगता था I am the only one. जब teens में I used to was getting my beard and all those kind of things, अजीब लगता था बहुत ज़्यादा। स्टेट कम्युनिटी तो होती ही है, यू नो, देयर इज स्टेट कम्युनिटी, कमेंस कम्युनिटी, बट अपनी खुद की हमारी जो ट्रांस कम्युनिटी है वहाँ पे बड़ी जजिंग होती है। अरे ये तो जनखा लगता है, जनखा मींस ही लुक्स लाइक अ बॉय, शी लुक्स लाइक अ बॉय। लाल बत्ती पे जब उनको दिख जाते हैं, यू नो, सम ट्रांसजेंडर जिसकी दाढ़ियाँ हैं, सम पीपल हैव दाढ़ी, सम पीपल हैव, यू नो, सम मुस्टैशेस, उसको कहते हैं नकली हिजड़े हैं। नजरें तो उठती हैं लोगों की, आईब्रोज रेस होती हैं कि कौन आ गया, तो पहले थोड़े की सोचेंगे लड़का आया लड़की आया, एंड देन ओके नाउ आई हैव अराइव्ड। फॉर मी pronouns are very important. When I tell them hi I'm Naz, my pronouns are she and her, even then they will say sir or he. It hurts. There was this one incident where I was a judge in the show, so this girl called me dog. I said what did you call me? She said dog. मुझे अपने पूरे कपड़े उतारने पड़े पूरी भरी सभा के अंदर में, entire like 100 people gathering and tell them look I'm a woman. हम लोग क्या करें, you know, हम लोग कहाँ जाए? We have to earn money for our sex change surgery. आज भी girls जो हैं they go for sex trade or, you know, टोली बधाई we call it, only to earn that much money that they can get their sex change surgery done. I've had very weird experiences where somebody was having, you know, milk and it was very warm milk and they threw on my face. They were smoking and पीछे से, you know, like आग लगा दिया. I was very excited for my surgery. I went alone, you know. मैंने अकेली गई, जाके बेड पे बैठ गई, मैंने कहा डॉक्टर साहब now, you know, now is now. नहीं, I will do tomorrow. I said no, now. After surgery, I was happy, but I was not like over the moon कि भाई, you know, वाह क्या चीज़ आ गई. I used to always think that maybe I'm incomplete without a certain organ. अब वो organ आ गया है तो I feel good. See, gay people don't get attracted to trans women, you know, and straight people get attracted, but उनमें इतना guts नहीं है कि trans women को they can accept even on a coffee date, you know, they'll be always, उनको लगेगा कि क्या यार कोई देख ना ले, कोई ये ना सोचे मैं हिजड़ा के साथ में आया हूँ, so they think like that. It's very very difficult to find true love for a trans woman. I think वो कोई 1 million में एक होगी जिसको कोई सच्चा प्यार करने वाला मिलेगा. I was married to a guy in 2018 and we broke up, we had divorce in 2019 end because by my legal documents I'm a woman, so I had right to get married, and after 1.5 years he married, you know, secretly to a woman. When it comes to western wear, especially evening gowns and you know, or club wear, it's very difficult to find a size for me, you know, like they have maximum 2XL and their 2XL means 42 size, you know, but I fit into 47, 48, तो वहाँ पे difficulty ज़रूर आती है. If I talk about the shoes and the chappals and the sandals, वो बहुत मुश्किल से मिलता है, बहुत मुश्किल से. Makeup brand especially should cater skin type of trans women, you know, because our skin is neither like a boy nor like a woman. It is tough to find jobs, and जो jobs आती हैं they give very you know, basic salary like 12,000, 15,000. I mean in today's age 12-15 हज़ार में क्या होगा. फिर then our girls think, you know, especially trans girls think कि भाई हम लोग टोली उठाए जाते हैं where we ask for, you know, for the gift when the newborn baby is born or when the new wedding is done. They earn every day about 2,000, 2,500, in Diwali time 5,000 also, Holi time 5,000 also. Then they think कि भी हम 15,000 में हमारा क्या होगा, you know, what will be happen in 15,000. And there are a lot of educated girls in this system, you know, टोली बधाई system, where they have to go to the people's home and dance. I have a friend who has done biotechnology and she was a teacher. Problem with private sector is that they do not sensitize their workers, because I've had girls, you know, friends who came to me and told that ma'am we were working in so and so call center, and वहाँ पे लोगों ने बोला कि क्या दिन आ गया, अब अपने हिजड़ों के साथ काम करना पड़ेगा. So when I became a woman, you know, that motherhood came automatically. I don't know how, whether it was hormones or something. My elder daughter, she calls me, of course, mom. I've started making her understand, you know, man, woman and the third gender. कल को उनको कोई बाहर वाला बोले, somebody else tells them that your mom is a trans, I will tell them